Kay Ate Ana nagsimula yung sunog. Kasi nagmi-mix-mix siya ng kung ano-anong pagkain. Andun na siya sa kitchen. Tapos nung nag-chill na siya sa salas, hindi niya napansin, baka hindi niya napatay yung yung gasol, ganyan. I know it, it's her. Sabi ni J-Lo. Noong 2020 lang yan nangyari, love. They bought a house na almost walang kapitbahay. Bakit kaya? I bet they wanna escape the world and be with each other lang, no? What a tragic yet beautiful friendship. Bebe, ano masabi mo sa naglag ako. Bebe, ano masasabi mo titiran tayo sa isang bahay, Gwen? Masaya ako, Bebe, sama-sama tayo lahat. Sana lang walang away palagi. Nix, ikaw, ano nafe-feel mo ngayon? Masaya ka ba? Mika, of course, haha, we're living our dreams to infinity and beyond na to. Love it! Sabi ni Jello, walang news about that Digicam baby eh. Sino kaya nagbenta niyan? Avi love, just keep it safe. You are holding pieces of memories of people who aren't here anymore. True! Real. Who aren't here anymore. I don't like to think about that at all. I'd like to believe that they're still in that house watching TV, playing video games, dancing together, arguing, sleeping, and everything that they want to do. I could still feel how strong their love from lifetime away. It was as if they're still here. Ito nakakalungkot na. I can't believe that a family filled with dreams, goals, and plans to create more memories with each other. Celebrating our new beginning, Colette. Ready na ako makipag-away sa inyo araw-araw, Aya. Magagawa natin lahat ng walang pumipigil sa atin, hahagawin. Unang araw pa lang, sawa na ako sa mukha niyo. Basta ako, kay Jo ako tatabi matulog, ha? Maloy. Lakas humilik ni Jo, no? Ha, magdusa ka, Joanna. Ang kapal, mas malakas sa'yo, hoy. Mika, ang drama, let's party na. Ba't wala akong spill? Would soon turn into pieces of memories themselves. Tama. Ay, tapos na? Tapos na! Sa'yo yung camshi. Sabi na eh. Kaya pala gusto ko ng digicam. Di ba? Gusto ko ng digicam. Pero ang weird if may mahanap akong digicam tapos meron talagang pictures namin. Ako suspect. Ako nagsunog. Nag-i-stay ba ako sa sala? Si Ate Aya yon. Totoo, huwag na mag-digicam. Matakot na tuloy ako. Okay, that's so nice. That's so good. I loved it. I loved it. More.